With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. So our question is the partial pressure of N2 gas at 298 Kelvin is 0.987 bar. If it is bubbled through water at about 298 Kelvin, millimoles of N2 gas would be dissolved in 1 liter of water. And we have given the value of Henry constant for N2 gas at 298 Kelvin is 76.48 bar. First of all, we try to know what is Henry's law. So Henry's law is defined as at constant temperature, the partial pressure of any gas, here N2 we are taking, is directly proportional to the mole fraction of the gas dissolved. On simplifying it, we get the partial pressure of gas is equal to Kh, which is Henry constant, and the mole fraction of N2, because here the gas is using that is N2. Now, first of all, we have to know what is the mole fraction. Suppose we are having a beaker in which solvent is present and we are adding some solute in it. So we know that the solution consists of two things. First is solute, the substance which is dissolved in the solvent, and our second component is solvent, in which the solute is being dissolved. So these two are important, that is solute and solvent. If we want to calculate the mole fraction, which is indicated by X, of any substance, here we are taking N2, then what we have to do, we have to write the number of moles of that substance in numerator, and we have to write total number of moles, that we have to sum all the moles present in that particular system, total number of moles. Here we are going to do the same thing. Here what we are having as a system and a component, we are having N2 gas and we are having water, where N2 gas is acting as a solute and water is acting as a solvent. So here we have to find the number of moles in both the cases. Here if we put the value of partial pressure of N2 in equation 1, and if we put the value of Kh in equation 1, then we can easily find the mole fraction of N2. So from here what we get, the mole fraction of N2 will be partial pressure of N2 upon Kh, and what we have given as a partial pressure of N2, that is 0.987 bar upon Kh is having 76.48 bar. On cancelling out, what we get 0.01325. So the mole fraction of N2, that is number of moles of N2 divided by number of moles of N2 plus number of moles of water is equal to 0.01325. Now what we have to do, we have to find the number of millimoles of N2, and what we have given, 1 liter of water. So first of all, we have to convert 1 liter of water to moles of water. So this is gonna be very interesting how we going to convert it. We know that the density of water is 1 kg per liter, or you can say that 1000 gram per liter. So for 1 liter, we can say that it is having 1000 gram of mass. Now, number of moles is defined as given weight or mass upon molecular mass. So for water, the molecular mass will be as per the periodic table, the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and that of oxygen is 16. So it will be 18 gram per mole. That will be the molecular mass of water. Now we have the given mass of water, that is 1000 gram. So putting this value here, we get 1000 gram upon 18 gram per mole. Gram and gram got cancelled out and we got 55.55 mole of water. Now putting all these values in this equation, we can represent it as equation number 2. What we will get? We will get 0.01325 is equal to number of moles of N2. What we have to find? Let it be A. We have to find it. And number of moles of N2 we have to find, it will be A, and number of moles of water it will be 55.55 mole. And now what we going to do, we have to cross multiply it. So we will get what? 0.01325 A plus 55.55 multiply 0.01325 is equal to A, making A as a subject. So what we will get? We will get 55.55 multiply 0.01325 A minus 0.01325 A. Now on further solving, we get 55.55 multiply 0.01325 divided by 0.98675 is equal to A, that is moles of N2. So the moles of N2 will be, that will be 0.745921 moles. And we know that 1 mole is equal to 10 to the power 3 millimoles. So from here what we will get? We will get the number of millimoles of N2 gas will be 745.921 millimoles. So this will be the answer. The number of millimoles of N2 will be 745.921 millimoles. I hope you got my point. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.